A unit vicinity 4 North 22 is requesting a backup. Air unit supervisor on the 187 suspect 5248 Alhambra. Suspect is a striker wearing a red baseball hat, blue and white jacket, and blue jeans. Suspect is with another male Hispanic wearing a gray and white jacket.
Grab that bus number. Air 16's en route.
Air 16's en route. The suspect boarded the dash bus eastbound.
Make sure you get a bus number.
4 North 21, number is going to be 09303.
Bus number is 09303.
Give me that bus number one more time.
Bus 09303.
And suspect description if he gets off.
He's wearing a red cap, baseball cap, blue jacket with white stripes, and black pants.
Suspect's a male Hispanic wearing a red baseball hat, blue and white jacket, a blue jacket with white stripes and black pants.
Vehicle or bus continuing past there will be Hollister on Alhambra, eastbound.
Bus is eastbound, Alhambra at Hollister.
Ready to make a north turn on Warwick Avenue from Alhambra.
4 George 30. Bus is now northbound Warwick from Alhambra.
And Air 16's over. We got that bus. First up and through the light.
Air 16's over.
Unit in a silver RAV Toyota Warwick following the
4 North 22 is a silver RAV Toyota following the bus.
NOR unit, I have your broadcast. Just let me know ETA on black and white. The bus is going to be northbound now. And just verify that street for me.
4 North 21, it's going to be Warwick. Be advised I'm with North 22 following the bus.
They're northbound Warwick.
Okay, that bus is pulled over under the trees. I do not have eyes on it, so if someone gets out, you need to call it out.
4 North 21, roger. Bus is continuing northbound. Our suspect did not get off the bus.
Okay, copy. It'll come up to a split. It looks like Farnsworth. He splits off there, so just call it when they at the split.
Bus is northbound Warwick at Farnsworth.
Northbound passing Martin.
Northbound passing Martin.
And a couple people getting off the bus. Doesn't look like your guy. One white over blue and then maybe gray.
4 North 21, roger. That's not our suspect. The bus is continuing northbound past Allen.
This is still northbound Warwick passing Allen. 4 George 30 and 40 en route to the following. 4 George 30 and 40, roger.
North 21 passing Hollister. Correction, passing Hyde.
Down Warwick passing Hyde.
Getting up on Cronin.
And bus is pulled over again at a stop. Just call it out. I do not have a good visual here. Black and white, left-hand turn. Right there, left-hand turn.
North 21, our suspect just got off the bus.
I got the Adidas jacket, correct? Red hat.
North 21, that's roger.
Location for the suspect.
Heading to the house right at the corner on Cronus and Vidal.
Yeah, give me the black and white left-hand turn. He's going to be walking eastbound, middle of the street, red hat. Just give me the air, no repeat. Units are on Cronus, making contact, middle of the street. Have all units respond eastbound only.
Units respond eastbound Cronin only.
Code 6 in the back.
George 12, right. All units code 4 Cronus and Vidal, suspect in custody.
4 does one, code 6 in the back of it.
George 1, Roger.
4015, we're also code 6 in the backup.
4015, Roger.
4A9.
4A9, Roger.
5 against the backup.
4853, Roger.
Code 6 on the backup.
4 George 9, Roger.
407, show me code 6 in the backup.
4 George 7, Roger.